A Thanksgiving Eve snowstorm wreaked havoc throughout Maine and parts of New England Wednesday, as heavy snow and freezing rain slowed traffic on one of the busiest travel days of the year. Many throughout the state awoke to find a fresh coat of snow on their doorstep this morning, as the white stuff continued to fall well into the afternoon. The November storm was expected to leave Portland and the Mid-Coast area with roughly 3 to 6 inches of snow, while more inland areas such as Gray, Lewiston, Augusta, and Bangor were looking at totals ranging from 8 inches to a foot, according to the National Weather Service. A number of cars were seen off the road throughout the region Wednesday morning, as freezing rain combined with blowing snow to create slick travel surfaces. However, the snow is expected to taper off throughout the afternoon and evening, leaving a clear Thanksgiving day with highs expected to be in the 40s.